If you want to be a successful crypto trader, you have to be a wolf. You cannot be a sheep. If you are a sheep, you're gonna lose all of your money. In this video, I will show you how to use liquidation heat maps in order to find out where the sheep are so you can hunt them down. Without further ado, let's jump straight into the action. The liquidation heat map that I am using is the one by CoinAnk, but there are others by CoinGlass as well as other platforms. So all you have to do is just go to Google and type BTC liquidation heat map. You will find this one, you will find other ones as well. So the way this works is that it basically shows you the liquidation levels of traders. So as the price goes up and down, traders are opening positions with leverage, right? And they all have liquidation levels. Above the price there are liquidation levels for the people who are shorting. Below the price there are liquidation levels for the people who are going long. There are liquidation levels all over the place, but this gives you a good visual representations of where most of the liquidation levels are, where most of the sheep are. The brighter the color on the heat map, the more sheep are gathered there, right? The more liquidations are there. So in this case, where are the most liquidations? Where the most liquidations are around $101,000. So Bitcoin at the moment is at $105,000. So if you are trading long right now, you're opening positions during this sideways movement and your liquidation level is at $101,000, well, guess what? You are all together with the other sheep and you guys are gonna get hunted down by the wolves and you're gonna get liquidated. If you don't want this to happen, you have to become a wolf, and you become a wolf by placing long orders to enter a trade. So you don't enter the trade now, you don't enter a long trade right now at $105,000. You place long orders to enter a long trade at $101,000 because you know that that's where most of the sheep will get liquidated and you know that the price will go there. Because the reality is that these liquidation levels where the most liquidations are, these are liquidity pools, right? These levels act like magnets, so they attract the price there. You guys have to understand that trading is a zero-sum game. We are all playing against each other, we are all competing against each other, and very few people win, just like in sports, right? Very few people are at the top. Most people in trading actually lose. So if you do what everybody else is doing, well, guess what? You're gonna be on the side of the losers. You guys have to start thinking like winners. You have to start thinking like the market manipulators. You have to start adding all of these different tools to your toolbox, right? If you want to be a successful crypto trader. Another way to use the liquidation map is basically for take profits, right? So if you are shorting Bitcoin, well, that's a very good place to take profit, guys. You can open the heat map, check where the most liquidations are in order to see the levels, and you can place your take profit target in advance, right? So that when the price goes there, your position will be closed. This is the best way to go about it, right? Because if you don't have the orders, you might not have access to your computer, your phone, you might be sleeping, right? So you might miss this chance to close your position. And the thing is that in this case specifically right here, you have to close your position, right? Or you have to enter position, because guess what? Just look at the market structure right here. So the lowest point is $102,000 right here. So guess what's gonna happen? The price will go down, it will break slightly below this level, right? All of the sheep will get slaughtered right here, and guess what? The next set of sheep will start saying, oh, the market structure got broken, Bitcoin broke below this low, right? So we are going lower. So they will start opening short positions right here, and guess what? Their liquidation levels will start stacking here above the price. The next thing you know, price will pump, so the sheep will get slaughtered again. That's just how it works. The wolves are always hunting down the sheep. So this is definitely a very good tool to add to your toolbox. By the way, you don't only use this for Bitcoin, you use it for whatever coin that you are trading. Right here you see where it says BTC USDT. Well, you open this menu and you can search for whatever coin you are trading. So if you are trading Ethereum, well, guess what? You switch to Ethereum and you look at the liquidation heat map. If you are trading XRP, well, guess what? Switch to XRP and look at the liquidation heat map. If you guys need help with your trading, I suggest you go ahead and watch our free training. We have a free training on our website. There's gonna be a link in the description of the video, in the pinned comment. If you can't find it, just go to our website sassincome.com and just click on free course, either from the menu right here, or scroll down and click learn how to trade crypto for free, and you will get access to a 100% free online workshop where I will show you how to automate your trading with crypto bots and generate consistent passive income.